welcome back to Trail Expedition. My name is Scott, and on this video we're going to be replacing the stock OEM rock sliders on my Jeep Wrangler JKU. So this is the box that the product came in. It looks like it's packaged well. A lot of times when these things are packaged, it's like stuff will be protruding out of it. You know, it looks like it's packaged well. Everything looks like it's still intact, so let's go ahead and open it up. So once you open it up in the box, you do have some directions. This is a relatively straightforward install. The only thing that you're going to need is a 16mm or 5/8 inch socket and then a ratcheting wrench. You can use a drill too, it makes it a little bit quicker. It does appear to be packaged very well inside the container. I'm not seeing any damage or anything like that. So let's get the knife and just kind of open these things up so we can take a better look at them. Here's the first one, and I did weigh these in the box prior to opening them up, and the box weighed 43 pounds. So I would imagine all that weight is just coming from this. You know, you're actually going to reuse your original hardware that's actually on the Jeep itself, so I don't think there's really any hardware that comes with these. It's just going to come with the two sliders. So once you get both sides open, you can tell left from right, just because when you look on the inside here, this has an R, and then if you look on the other one, it's upside down, but you get the idea, but it's got an L. So these are the directions that it came with. It's a relatively easy install. The directions look nice, they have nice pictures laid out. Like I said, you can use a drill if you want, or a ratcheting socket. Breaker bar, you know, because you're gonna have to take some of your old bolts off that if you've never taken them off before, they could be on there pretty good. And then also a 5/8 or a 16mm socket. So in the directions for step one, it says install the passenger side first. I'm gonna knock that side out real quick, and then I'll come over and show you guys how I did it on the driver's side. Guys, I'm sorry to disappoint you. I cannot use these rock sliders. So I have a long arm lift kit on this JKU, which these are well done brackets that go on this long arm lift kit, and this here for the new rock rail actually tucks right up into here, but it can't get in here just because this bracket's in the way. So when you try to put it on, it's supposed to go right in there. As you can see, it's just not going to work. So I'm not going to be able to use these rock sliders, which is unfortunate. I got a couple buddies that have JKUs. I'll see if we can get it on one of their Jeeps. New plan. The sliders are going on Derek's JK. We're just finishing up getting off his stock sliders at the moment, and then we're going to mount up the Hooke road ones as soon as we get this one pulled off. You wouldn't happen to have a breaker bar, would you?
This might be easier to...
Oh, it's going.
Got her. Okay, now that you got her broke free, break that other one free and use the impact to run it home.
Alright. Alright, got these ones out. Yours lining up okay?
Yeah.
Alright, yep, mine are good. Get these things started. How's she looking?
Good. Came off a lot easier. Now before you put the 10-foot breaker bar on it, You got way bigger guns than me, Scott.
It's easier with the breaker bar.
Oh, I know.
Oh, it comes off so easy.
Once you break it free and crack it loose.
Yeah, these DeWalt's are nice. Take that impact roll. Here, jump up on there. See how strong it is. Yeah. Too much ice. Too much ice.
More ice, too much ice.
Well, I mean, they look good, so.
Yeah.
Alright guys, as far as installation goes for the Hooke road sliders, super easy. We actually had more trouble getting the old OEM sliders off than actually putting the new ones on. It's 4 bolts. Basically, you just take the 4 nuts off your body mount bolts. You put the new sliders on, put the nuts back in place. It kind of sucks it right up. Took 15 minutes tops. Like I said, it took us longer just to get the old ones off. So anyway, yeah, right now we're just heading down the road to a local trail here that Derek knows about. And we're just, you know, it's not going to be anything too hard. We're just going to see how the sliders do. Road impassable when wet. We just got done running some trails in the JKU, and I had my Gladiator with me. But yeah, I mean, they look solid. You know, I kind of wish I could have put them on my JK, but you know, my long arm kit just wasn't going to allow it. Anyway, thanks for checking out this video, everybody, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.